mga nakshis! This is Mommy Yel, your Oma here on TikTok. If you're new here, welcome! And don't forget to check out my other videos, especially if you're an army planning to visit Seoul for Festa or for the next coming months. I will create travel guides and I have a few already here in my TikTok specifically for co-armies to make your fangirl more fun, cheaper, informative, and full of purple moments. So starting February 24 this year, South Korea introduced the e-arrival card, replacing the traditional e-arrival card na pinapapirma sa inyo sa airport, from Incheon Airport, or sa plane. So it's an online declaration form required for most foreign travelers entering South Korea. You can only fill this out at least 3 days before your intended departure, and you can visit it from their website. That is their website. The link is e-arrivalcard.go.kr. Ilalagay ko rin yung link sa bio so you can also search for it sa bio and copy nyo na lang. The process is free of charge, by the way, and it is meant to streamline the immigration process sa Seoul or sa Incheon Airport. So tanong nyo, Mommy Army, paano ba i-fill out yung e-arrival card? So first, you go to the website, which is the e-arrivalcard.go.kr. Lalabas tong screen na to on set. You need to choose the e-arrival card individual if you're a solo traveler. And you also choose group, which is on the next slide, if you will be coming in between 2 to 1,000 people in one group. So for example, you're a solo traveler coming into Korea. All you have to do is click the individual kanina na pinakita ko sa screen and lalabas to agad. All you have to do is upload the passport bio page. So yung pinaka-front portion ng passport nyo, just take a photo of that and then upload it dyan. You can also upload or you can also take a photo directly from the app. So once na nandyan ka na or napicturean mo na, automatic na fill out na niya lahat ng information mo with the next step. You just have to double check everything if tama lahat nung naka-auto fill out na information from you. So yan, mag-auto fill out na siya, the surname, the given name, the date of birth, the passport number, the sex, and the passport expiry.